confidence is super low, baby. You know I got a heart of gold.
So this is what happened in my previous vlogs. This is my maintenance, getting ready for this trip for my birthday and a few try-on hauls and all that. So go watch that video, then jump to this one. Okay, that was easy. Oh, I'm sorry. Now it's time to run back home and order Uber. Actually, I'm making good time. Maybe I should get something to eat. I'm sorry. So, I was a little worried about, you know, packaging in and all that you guys saw last night. But apparently, oh, sorry. I feel like something's on. But apparently it was so easy. All I had to do is, I give him that item and then he was like, oh, we have more boxes in the back. It came up to $4 just for the box. And then the customer, she already purchased the, she purchased the shipping label already. Okay. Okay, let me see. All right, so I'm making good timing. And well, actually, I wanted to leave here at 9 a.m. I wanted to leave the house at 9 a.m. to ship her order so I can just be relaxed. But now, it's about what, 10:30. I have to be in the Uber by no later than 11:30. I'm thinking 12, 12, yeah. But now I'm like, I want to get something to eat. I'm kind of hungry. I don't know what to eat. We'll make it work, but we're making good time, and so far order just shipped. Okay, so I shipped the order. Now I am home. I need to hurry up and order the Uber and then we need to head out. I was gonna throw a few things in my bag. Like this is my favorite bag to travel with. Every time you see me on vacation, I'm always having this bag. It's so big and spacious. So first thing, I'm gonna bring this tripod. I kind of want my smaller one. I need to look for the smaller one because get the job done. I got some snacks because you guys know I'm greedy. Dental floss. Let me put this in here so I won't lose it. You need dental floss, y'all. Make sure you floss in your teeth. Throw this in here. Also have, I bring my, oh sorry, fix my pants. I bring my purses with me. Like, I don't know, is this security? This is my new purse I just bought. Happy birthday to me. But yeah, I'm bringing this and I always carry it with me. Like I don't put it in my check bag. Okay, so we're gonna stick this in here. And the only thing I don't like about this bag, it gets so heavy quick. And I'm bringing two pairs of glasses because you guys know I need options. I have my clip-ins in here. Okay. I'm bringing my laptop and I'm bringing my iPad because why not? I always bring my iPad and laptop. I always bring them together. And this little thing. So I got the, oh, see this pants is gonna be a problem. Keep on falling. So I got this from Amazon. It is where I put like all my chargers. I put my extra battery pack for my camera. It just goes in here. So convenient. Okay, now we pack this little thing. Of course, I'm bringing both of my phones. Make sure you guys can see that thing. Got my wallet, boom, cash and all that. Alright, throw this in here. Whew, this thing is packed, y'all. And I still feel, maybe I'll put this in my check bag. Alright. Okay, My bags is packed. This is heavy. It's heavy, but we're gonna make it through. I wonder if I can pick some. No, I cannot. I'm gonna say can I put something in my check bag, but I can't. We have to rock with this. All right, let's order Uber and let's go to the airport. You guys know one of my favorite things is going to the airport. I love going to the airport early and all that, and I upgraded my flight because it's all about experience. All right, let's go. All right, made it to the airport. But I think that's weird. They gave me my bill, right? See? But no drink. Okay. First drink. Cheers to me. So I had one cocktail so far. I'm on my second. Oh my god, yeah. I feel lit. I need to put some glasses on because I'm lit, y'all. Okay, so one thing that I love is getting drunk and going to the airport. We landed. It's not empty. Alright, let's get an Uber. Okay, so I'm in my room. I don't like it. It's no views at all. It's a nice room, I guess. I already took my shoes off. I'm like, should I say something or just let it go? Which I think a little safe. Hi, I just checked in my room and I don't like it. Like, thank you. I'm sorry, but not sorry. I don't like the room. So we get a new one. All right. Oh, hold up. Okay, so we're in a new room. It's a better view. I didn't. I'm mad I didn't vlog how the other view looked. It was like a view of the building. Now I have a view of the street. So this hotel, I thought, so he was telling me how I'm used to being on the other tower. It's hard to explain. I don't know. It we used to call the Jubilee Tower, and then I'm used to be on that tower. So every time I used to pay to come here, I used to pay for that tower. I thought I was did that this time, and then he was saying how that tower is owned by a different hotel now. So yeah, we made it. I want to unpack and start getting dressed, but I need to eat. Oh, let me read. I need to eat. So we're gonna get some food and we're gonna come back and then prep, and then I need some ice. I need to pack, I need to take a shower. It's been a long day.